everybody, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flush and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And today we are testing out the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. That's what we're doing today. And my color is 210, hopefully. I haven't tested it yet, so hopefully it is. And this is, it's a pump and a tube. I don't know what's up with that. So, I'm hot. It's so humid here today. Let's see what the claims are. It says that it's hydrating, medium to full coverage for all skin tones, long wear, light as air. That's all it says about it on the box. That it's medium, natural finish, liquid foundation, normal to dry, and combination skin. Hydrating longwear that delivers comfortable, medium to full coverage in a natural finish, perfect for normal to dry skin. How to use ingredients. I want to know how many colors. I don't want to have to count them, but it looks like I have to count them. Let's see. My color is 210. Light to medium skin with warm, neutral undertones. Wow, lots of colors. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 times 6 is 48, 49, 50. It comes in 50 shades. It retails for $35 at Sephora. You can get 15% off right now. I think there's a couple more days. Oh, this is going up Monday, so it's probably going to be over. I don't know. I don't even know what the date is. I think it goes through the 27th. Okay, so medium to full coverage is what it says, and it's supposed to be light as a feather, and I would love that. So, here we go. I've already primed my face with my Milky Mist. My Milky Mist from Pixie, my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and my e.l.f. Putty Primer in the T-Zone. So those three I've already done just to save time. So let's just go in with this and see if I've matched myself well. If not, it's Kathleen Light's fault. Just kidding. But she got this color, and she got the same color that I got in the, I think it was in the Stay Naked, but it might have been the Anastasia. But those colors worked really well for me, and I know I'm probably putting way too much on because I pumped way too much out. So I'm going to spread it around with a brush and then go back over it with a sponge. Because even though you probably could apply it with a sponge, if you're wrinkly like me, it just gets it into the wrinkles better with a sponge. That's why I almost always go over it. Even if I don't see brush strokes, I really just want to push it into the skin of my, with the sponge. So there's that. The color looks pretty good. It's a little darker than I thought, but maybe it'll get better. Oof, I think I got too much on, but that's okay. The sponge will take it off. I just think these hydrating, glowy ones always make me look more wrinkled than the matte ones. And that's what I'm seeing right now. Maybe once it settles in, it'll be better. Right now, well, it's getting better. Right now, it's really accentuating these wrinkles. All the wrinkles. The coverage seems pretty good. kind of cakey around my nose. Well, I'm just going to let it sit here for just a minute. Alright, I'm going to go in with some concealer. See, it looks kind of, it's very glowy. Got a few spots to cover. Forgot to put any up here. I don't know if I have enough to do that. Get some from down here. I don't know, it's pretty dewy. Doesn't seem to be, still a little tacky. So hopefully it'll calm down. But I'm just going to go in with some contour while it's doing that, hopefully. Alright, so we're going to blend this out. Now we're going to go in with powder. I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star powder under my eyes. And then I'll probably just spread this around. I don't know, it's pretty dewy. Now I'm going to go with my powder brush and spread this around. This seems like it's got enough glow to come right through. Okay, let's go in with some blush, and actually let's go in with some bronzer. I'm using my Bare Minerals Invisible Bronzer, Invisible Bronze, and this is in Bare to Light. Yeah, it does seem a little sticky to me. Maybe I just haven't waited long enough. I never have to wait that long with anything else. Maybe not. Maybe it's fine. Now let's go in with my blush, and I'm going to use Dallas because this is going to be a jeans and t-shirt kind of day look. I definitely think this is a little dark. I always think that though, huh? And then when I go downstairs in real light, it's fine. Okay. Now we're going to go in with our Flower Beauty highlight. And this is my Sigma F35 brush, and I think I'm going to go in with the champagne and gold color. Now I'm going to take this dual fiber brush and blend it all together so that I look au naturel. And now I'm going to go off camera, finish my makeup, and I'll be back to show you the final look, and then we'll do a wear test at the end of the day. Do another check-in. I don't know, so far, it seems, you know, before I've got my eyes done or anything, it seems, I don't know, it's changing. It's getting better, so I'm going to not judge just yet. So, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am back. This is the look for the day, and the eyes will be up on Wednesday. I am not gonna judge just yet because it's just changing so much, because I really didn't like it when I first put it on, because it is kind of settling a little tiny bit, but like I said, it's changing, so I'm gonna wait and see how it wears throughout the day, and I will come back and let you know what I thought. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day, and so we are testing out the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. And my final conclusion for the end of the day is it's not my favorite. It's not bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be when I first put it on, because it's not really sinking into lines, into my wrinkles. But I don't know, it's just something about it's so dewy. I just feel like it accentuates all the fine lines, all the pores, everything. So I haven't touched it up at all. I'm going to use my Wonder Beauty puff pad thingy here. This is from Wonder Beauty, and it actually has the powder in it, so you don't have to make a mess, is what it says. So I'm going to powder it down a little, because I think that's all it needs right now, is just a little powder. But I just have others that I don't really feel like I have to do this with. it's better, and it still has plenty of glow, because this thing, I don't think this gives much powder. I think you have to puff harder, and I don't want to do that. So anyways, I'm not going to give it a thumbs down because it's really not bad. It's just not my favorite, but I think it's just because I don't really like it as dewy as this one is. But I'm going to keep trying it. I'm going to try it with different primers. I think I'm going to try it with just the gripping primer and see if I like it better that way, because it's just a little dewier than I like. And only because I think the dewy ones tend to, because even now, even after I've powdered it, I just feel like it doesn't accentuate the wrinkles as much. So, anyways, I'm going to keep trying it, but for now it's going to get a meh. So far, of all the foundations I've tried lately, the Stay Naked and the Anastasia and this, I like the Stay Naked the best. It's the one that feels the best. This one feels good though. And I actually think that Anastasia felt good too. But both this one and the Anastasia, they're just a little dewier than I like, because I just felt like they made me look older. So I like them. This one, and this one is more of a satin. It's not matte. It's just not as dewy. And it just seems like I didn't realize I like this one so much. But it's the one I've been reaching for every time when I'm doing any kind of look that I'm not trying out a foundation. I'm reaching for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!